Here we have an extra question. Draw an equilateral triangle of side 4 centimeter. Then draw its circumcircle. Circumcircle in circle you all have studied in class 7th. Some questions like this are asked sometime in board exams also. It seems like they are not in syllabus, but actually you have studied this thing in previous classes. So these questions can be asked in the exam. So we should know that how to construct the circumcircle of any equilateral triangle or any kind of triangle. So first of all, we will construct the equilateral triangle of side 4 centimeter. An equilateral triangle is a triangle with all of its sides are equal. So we need only one arc of radius 4 centimeter which will work for the triangle. First of all, draw a line segment of 4 centimeter. Just make sure that the arc is also of 4 centimeter. Yes, it is. Now, since the name of the triangle is not given, so we will take the name of triangle ABC. You can take any other name also. So, let BC be the base of triangle ABC with side 4 centimeter. Let us draw it with a pen so it will be clearly visible. Now, using our compass, we will draw two arcs from B and C intersecting each other at a point. And this point is the third vertex of our triangle ABC. Join AB and AC. So we get our required equilateral triangle of side 4 centimeter. Now before we construct circumcircle, let us understand what a circumcircle means. A circumcircle is a circle that covers any particular figure, maybe a triangle or a square or any quadrilateral, any kind of triangle, in such a way that it touches all the vertices of that figure. You should not like the circle is drawn outside the triangle, but it is not touching the triangles. So circumcircle is that circle which will touch all the three vertices of the triangle ABC. Okay. So for this we have a very good method. We will try to find out the perpendicular bisector of any of the two sides of this triangle ABC. As in this question we are given the triangle is equilateral, so we can use any two sides. All sides are equal, but this method remains common for all the triangles, maybe a right angle triangle or isosceles triangle or any ordinary triangle. If we have to draw the circumcircle of that triangle, in that case we need to find out the perpendicular bisector of two sides. So here we will draw the bisector of BC and AC. For this, you will take the radius of the arc more than half, and two arcs you will draw from C up and down, two arcs you will draw from B up and down, and you will join them. Similarly, you will find out the bisector of AC, or you can find out AB also. So once again, two arcs from C up and down, two arcs from A up and down, and we join the points of intersection Now as you can see, this both the perpendicular bisectors are intersecting here at a point. Let this point be O. Now if you put the pin of the compass on O and you confirm that since you have perpendicularly bisected BC and AC, that means the point B, C and A are exactly coming as a radius for the circle we are going to draw. So OB is equal to OC, OC is equal to OA. So let us draw this circle, and you can see this circle is absolutely touching all the three vertices of the triangle ABC. That means our circumcircle is ready.